Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use wireless charging on your Pixel 10 Pro. Okay, so you can charge your phone with a wireless charger, and now on Pixel 10 series there is a new feature called Pixel Snap. You may know it from iPhones. On iPhones it's called MagSafe, and it just snaps magnetically on the back of your phone. The official professional name is Cheeto. And if you have any Cheeto accessory, you can use it. You can also use a standard wireless charger that doesn't have magnets in it, and both will work just fine. But I'll show you the Cheeto accessory because that's what I have. I want to present a new feature, and also Cheeto is just faster. So you can see I have a charger right here, and when I place the phone on top, it snaps right in, and you can see it doesn't fall off. So it's great because you don't have to try to realign it a lot of times. You can see this one actually has an option to fold like that, and now when I place the phone on it, you can see it's just on, right? So that I think that's really great. But you can also use a standard one. But remember, if it doesn't work, then you probably just need to realign your phone, because it's a bit more difficult to align your phone with a standard wireless charger. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.